Hi, I'm Victor, one of the co-creators of Holden. And with Holden, we're trying to solve one of the most massive, glaring flaws with the internet, which is this. We're simply not built to handle the temptation. Every second we're on the internet, there's 100 other possible things we could be doing. And they've been expressly designed by corporations with their battalions of cognitive psychologists to be as distracting for us as possible. Under this barrage of temptation, we're bound to succumb and fall into a rabbit hole. Starting your complex analysis homework, and you have to prove Euler's identity. E to the I pi equals -1. That's pretty cool. You look up who came up with it. Euler, the Houston Oilers. What became of them? Look up the Houston Oilers, you realize that they became the Tennessee Titans. Soon you're on YouTube watching highlights of the Tennessee Titans from week 13 of the NFL season, when you should have been doing your complex analysis homework. Holden unlocks your productive potential by plucking out distractions from your browsing experience. How do we do this? Our browser extension can read every visible word on the web pages you visit, and we run it through a machine learning algorithm to figure out whether you're getting distracted or whether you're being productive. And if you are in a rabbit hole, Holden stops you in your tracks. This is a completely new way of managing temptation on the internet. There's a bunch of other web blockers out there, but all they do is they have a static list of web pages, and they block the entire site of whatever web page we're talking about. So YouTube, they block every YouTube video. Wikipedia, they block every Wikipedia article. New York Times, they block all of the New York Times. But this isn't useful. This is where Holden shines. We can distinguish NFL highlight reels from linear algebra tutorials. We can distinguish Wikipedia articles on row echelon form from Wikipedia articles about Barbara Orbison. And we can distinguish Reddit threads on the bro science of creatine from Reddit threads on good linear algebra group theory textbooks. We're sure you're super excited to see a couple examples now, so let's jump in. First, turn on the browser extension, and then say you get distracted by markets and politics. So you block those things, and then if you search NASDAQ, for example, that should get blocked because it's markets related, and it does. What about linear algebra? That's fine because it's neither related to neither, and then if you search Trump trade deals, then that also gets blocked. Demonstrate our custom whitelisting capability. So say you want to research about algorithms, so everything unrelated to algorithms gets blocked. So you look up Huffman encoding, and that's fine because Huffman encoding is an algorithm. And then, but if you search, democracy in Europe, then that gets blocked. A study by Larry Rosen, author of The Distracted Mind, found that students spend only about 65% of nominal study time actually studying. This is in large part due to all the distractions present on the internet, and this is what Holden can help out with. If we can increase that 65% to 75%, 80%, maybe even 90%, students will learn more, researchers will discover more, workers will accomplish more, and we'll all be better off as a result. This is why we're so excited about the potential